Hi everyone, I'm interview buddy Raghavi from Quantumnique. Today, let's master one of the most fundamental concepts in C programming, arrays. Imagine you need to store the marks of 100 students. Without arrays, you'd need to create 100 different variables. That's a coding nightmare. The solution? Arrays! Think of an array as a row of lockers. You have one name for the whole row, and each locker holds a piece of data. In technical terms, an array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in continuous memory locations. The syntax is simple. Data type, followed by the array name and its size in square brackets. For example, int marks bracket 5. Crucially, indexing starts from 0. So marks 0 is the first element, and marks 4 is the fifth element. Here's how it looks in code. We initialize the array with 5 marks and use a simple for loop to iterate through and print each element. Interview tip. Remember, arrays in C have a fixed size. If you need dynamic sizing, you'll eventually need to look into pointers and dynamic memory allocation. Quick quiz. Where does an array index start? If you said B0, you're correct. Follow interview buddy Raghavi and Quantumnique for more coding tips. You can find this code in our GitHub repo. See you next time.